English Standard 4 Term First. Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Welcome back to our English class. Are you happy? Yes, I am very happy. Today we will learn about robot. What is robot? Robot is a machine. Robot is a machine. Have you seen the robot? Have you seen the robot? Robot means a machine that works automatically and can do some tasks that a human do. ரோபாட் என்பது ஒரு இயந்திர மனிதன். If we give command, it will do the work. It can do difficulty work also. நம்ம என்ன கமாண்ட் கொடுக்கமோ அதை என்ன செய்யும்? அது செய்யும். மனிதர்களால் செய்ய முடியாத கடினமான வேலையை கூட இது என்ன செய்யும்? எளிதாக செய்து முடிக்கும். Can the robot eat food? No. Can the robot drink water? No. It can't do like this, but it can do all the work. Okay. We have many types of robots. For example, industrial robots, humanoid robots, autonomous robots. Humanoid robots to help healthcare workers in Tamil Nadu hospitals. They are using Corona word. Okay, children. Today we will learn about trick robots. Today we will learn about trick robots. All of you take your English book. All of you take your English book. All of you take your English book. Have you taken? Book page number 75. Book page number 75. The name of the lesson is A World with Robots. The name of the lesson is A World with Robots. All of you keep your finger on the line. Hi, I am Nila. I like making robots. Do you? Okay. My name is Nila. I like making robots. எனக்கு வந்து robots மேக் பண்ணது ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உனக்கு பிடிக்குமா? Look at the pictures. It is a robot like a human. அப்படி தானே? மனிதர்களை மாதிரி கை, கால், தலை எல்லாமே இருக்குது. அப்படி தானே? எஸ். Okay, turn next page. My Little Pictionary. Okay, turn next page. Page number 76. My Little Pictionary. My Little Pictionary. Look at the first picture. Lazy. Lazy means not ready to do any work. Not active. Not active. இந்த வேலையும் செய்யாமல் சோம்பேறித்தனமாக இருக்க தான் பேர் என்னது? லேசி. Second picture, sack. A large bag used for storing and carrying goods. A large bag used for storing and carrying goods. Rack. A stand to keep things. Rack. A stand to keep things. Humanoid. Something that looks like a human. Expo, a large international exhibition. A large international exhibition. Okay, turn next page. Now let us learn the trick robot. The trick robot. Trick means cheat. Cheating பண்ணுறது. Trick mean cheating பண்ணுறது. அதாவது ஏமாற்றுறது. Okay, all of you keep your finger on the line. Vicky was a lazy boy. Who was a lazy boy? Vicky was a lazy boy. Lazy means not active. Lazy means not active. அதாவது சுறுசுறுப்பு இல்லாமல் சோம்பேறித்தனமாகவே தன்னுடைய வேலையை கூட செய்ய மனம் இல்லாமல் அப்படி இருப்பான். அதான் அதுக்கு பேர் தான் வந்து லேசி. Who was a lazy boy? Vicky was a lazy boy. Are you lazy or active? You are all active children, yes or no? Yes, very good. He never did his homework on time. He never did his homework on time. Vicky didn't write his homework in the correct time. அவன் அவனுடைய வீட்டு பாடத்தை சரியான நேரத்தில் முடிப்பதே இல்லை. You are a good students. Yes or no? You do your homework properly. Yes? Yes, very good. He never kept his things back in the right place. He never kept his thing back in the right place. He is not keeping his thing back in the right place. அவன் அவனுடைய பொருளை சரியான இடத்துல வைக்கிறதே இல்லை. He pleaded with his father to buy him a robot to do his work. So now Vicky requested his father, I want robot for do my work. இப்போ என்ன கேட்காங்க அப்பாக்கிட்ட? அப்பா எனக்கு என்னுடைய வேலையெல்லாம் செய்யறதுக்கு ஒரு ரோபாட் வேணும் அப்படின்னு கேட்கான். Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy. Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy. Vicky's father was thinking, wanted him to become an active boy. இப்போ அவர் என்ன யோசிச்சிருந்தார்? இவனை எப்படியாவது ஒரு ஆக்டிவ் பாயாக மாற்றணும். ஸோ ஹீ பாட் ஹிம் எ ட்ரிக் ரோபாட். அதனால் என்ன செஞ்சார்? அவர் ஒரு ட்ரிக் ரோபாட்டை அவனுக்கு வாங்கி கொடுத்தாரு. He was glad to have a robot to do all his work. அந்த ரோபாட் வந்து அவனுடைய வேலையெல்லாம் செய்யும் அப்படின்ட்டு அவன் என்ன செஞ்சான்? ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக இருந்தான். He was very happy. Why he was very happy? Because he had robot, he can do all his work. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. Vicky didn't know that was a trick robot. அது வந்து ரொம்ப தந்திரமானது என்று அவனுக்கு தெரியாது. He was glad to have a robot to do all his work. Next, Vicky, I have bought you a robot. This intelligent robot will do all your work. Vicky's father said, I bought intelligent robot for you. நான் உனக்காண்டே ரொம்ப புத்திசாலியான ரோபாட்டை வாங்கிட்டு வந்திருக்கேன். It will do all your work. ஓகே, இது வந்து உன்னுடைய வேலை எல்லாமே செய்யும். அதனால் நீ என்ன செய்யலாம்? நீ நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறார். Vicky is excited. Vicky is excited to test his new robot. Vicky was very eager to keep the test his new robot. Vicky என்ன நினச்சான் அப்படின்னா அதை டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி பார்க்க ரொம்ப ஆவலாக இருந்தான். I am hungry. Cook some salad for me. Vicky said to his robot, I am very hungry. I am very hungry. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பசியாக இருக்கிறேன். You prepare the salad for me. You prepare the salad. Salad means mixture of vegetables. I do not eat salad, so I cannot make the salad. Now Robert said, I do not eat salad. நான் வந்து salad சாப்பிட்றதே கிடையாது. So I cannot make it. Okay, என்னால் அதை மேக் பண்ண முடியாது. Next page number 78. What, you are a robot? You cannot refuse me. What, you are a robot? You cannot refuse me. Clean my room now. Now Vicky said, don't refuse my word. Don't refuse my word. You are a robot. Now clean my room. Okay, என்னுடைய வார்த்தைக்கு மறுப்பு தெரிவிக்காத. நீ இப்போ என்ன செய்ய போகிற? என்னுடைய ரூமை க்ளீன் பண்ணணும். Do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that. Do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that. Now Robert said, I cannot do that. என்னால் அதை செய்ய முடியாது. If you want me, you do that. It said like this. Really, I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone. Really, I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone. Believe. Believe means வந்து நம்பு. என்னது? I cannot believe. என்னால் நம்ப முடியலை. உண்மையிலே இதை என்னால் நம்ப முடியலை. ப்ளீஸ் அட்லீஸ்ட் சார்ஜ் மை ஃபோன். புட் மை ஃபோன் இன் த சார்ஜ். அட்லீஸ்ட் புட் மை ஃபோன் இன் த சார்ஜ். என்னுடைய ஃபோனை சார்ஜர்லையாவது போடு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவேன். Why don't you do that yourself? Why don't you do that yourself? I must make some calls. I must make some calls. Now Robert replied, I want make some calls. எனக்கு சில ஃபோன் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்குது, கால்ஸ் மேக் பண்ண வேண்டியது இருக்குது. ஸோ டூ யுவர் ஒர்க் யுவர் செல்ஃப். டூ யுவர் ஒர்க். உன் வேலையை நீயே செய். உன் வேலையை நீயே செய். இட்ஸ் அட் லைக் திஸ். இட்ஸ் அட் லைக் திஸ். ஓகே, ரோபோட் என்ன சொல்லிச்சு? உன் வேலையை நீனே செய், என்னாலாம் செய்ய முடியாது அப்படின்னு பதிலளித்தது. Okay, next remaining lesson we will continue tomorrow. Again, turn book page number 77. All of you keep your finger on the line. Keep your finger on the line. The trick robot. The trick robot. Vicky was a lazy boy. V-I-C-K-Y Vicky. W-A-S was a lazy. L-A-Z-Y lazy. B-O-Y boy. Vicky was a lazy boy. H-E-He N-E-V-E-R never. D-I-D did. H-I-S his homework. H-O-M-E-W-O-R-K homework. O-N on T-I-M-E time. He never did his homework on time. He never kept his. H-E-N-E-V-E-R never. K-E-P-T kept. H-I-S his. Things. T-H-I-N-G-S things. Back in the right place. B-A-C-K back. I-N in. T-H the. R-I-G-H-T right. P-L-A-C-E place. He pleaded to his father to buy him a robot to do his work. H-E pleaded. P-L-E-A-D-E-D pleaded. T-O to H-I-S his F-A-T-H-E or father. T-O-2-B-U-Y by H-I-M him, a robot. R-O-B-O-T robot. T-O-2 D-O-Do H-I-S his W-O-R-K work. He pleaded to his father to buy him a robot to do his work. Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy. Vickys, Vicky's father, Fath or father, wanted, Wanted, Him, To, become, 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 and Active, Boy, active boy. So he bought him a trick robot, Bougist, bought him a trick robot, robot. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. Vicky, Vicky, did not not know that that was a trick trick robot robot. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. He was glad to have a robot to do all his work. He was glad, glad. To have a robot, robot to do, do all his work. Next, are you keeping your finger on the line? Vicky, I have bought you a robot. Vicky, Vicky, I have, have, bought, bought, a robot, robot. This intelligent robot will do all your work. This intelligent, CHIS, this INTELLIGENT, intelligent robot, ROBOT robot will do all your, WILL will, do ALL, YOUR your work, WORK work, enjoy, ENJY enjoy. Vicky is excited to test his new robot. Vicky, Vicky is excited. IS is EXCITED, excited. TO2 TEST, test. HIS his NEW ROBOT robot. Vicky is excited to test his new robot. I am hungry. Cook some salad for me. I am hungry. I am. HUNGRY, hungry. COOK, cook. SOME, some. Salad. SALAD, salad. FOR, for. Me. I do not eat salad, so I cannot make the salad. I do not. Do. NOT, not. Eat. I do not eat salad, so I cannot make the salad. So I cannot. CANNOT, cannot. MAKE, make. THE, the. SALAD, salad, make the salad. Turn next page, 78. What, you are a robot. You cannot refuse me. Clean my room now. WHAT, what? You are a robot. A robot, or OBOT robot. You cannot refuse me. CANNOT, cannot. RUFUSE, refuse me. Me, clean my room now. CLEAN, clean. my my, or WOM now. What? You are a robot. You cannot refuse me. Clean my room now. Next, do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that. Do you want me? D-O do. Y-O-U-U-W-A-N-T want. M-E-Me. T-O to strain. S-T-R-A-I-N strain. My back. M-Y my. B-A-C-K back. I cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T cannot do that. D-O do. T-H-A-T that. Really, I cannot believe this. At least charge my phone. Regally. Really, I cannot. Cannot cannot believe. Believe believe this. This this. At least Atleast at least. George my phone. Charge George my my phone phone. Why don't you do that yourself? I must make some calls. WHYYDONT don't you do. YOUDO do that yourself. THAT that yourself. YOURSELF yourself. I must make some calls. Must MAKE make some calls. Okay, next all of you take your English note. All of you take your English note. 4-line notice your English note. All of you take it fast. Take your eraser and pencil also. Have you taken your note? Okay. First of all, divide the note. Okay. Divide the note two parts. ரெண்டு பகுதிகளாக பிரிச்சுக்க. First part class work, second part homework. Now take second part. Now take second part. Put the date and day. Write homework. Find the answer from the book page number 77. Find the answer from the book page number 77. FIND find. THE the. ANSWER answer. FROM from. THE the. BOOK book. PAGE page number. NUMBER number. Find the answer from the book page number 77. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Vicky was a lazy dash. VICKY. Vicky. WAS was a lazy. LAZY. Lazy dash. Number 2. Dash never did his homework. NEVER never. DID did. HIS his. HOME home. WORK work. Dash never did his homework. Number 3. Vicky's father bought dash. VICKYS. Vicky's father. FATHER father. BOUGHT bought dash. Dash was very happy. WAS was very, very, happy, happy. Number 5, robot didn't eat dash. Robot didn't eat dash. ROBOT, robot, DIDNT, didn't eat dash. Robot didn't eat dash. Answer in one word. Okay, leave one line, write answer in one word. ANSWER, answer. INNONE, one. WORD, word. Answer in one word. Answer in one word. Question number 1. Who was a lazy boy? Who was a lazy boy? WHO, who. WAS, was. A, lazy. LAZY, lazy. BOY, boy. Who was a lazy boy? Number 2. Who bought a robot? Who bought a robot? WHO, who. BOUGHT, bought a robot. ROBOT, robot. Who bought a robot? Again, find the answer from the book, page number 77. Fill in the blanks. Vicky was a lazy dash. Dash never did his homework. Vicky's father bought dash. Dash was very happy. Number 5. Robot didn't eat dash. Answer in one word. Who was a lazy boy? Who was a lazy boy? Who bought a robot? Who bought a robot? All of you write it fast, write neatly. Do your homework properly. Read the lesson also. Okay? Daily என்ன செய்யணும், புக் எடுத்து ரீட் பண்ணணும். Have you written? Read it fast. Today's class is over. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you, all of you.